Hi guys. Our next skill today is the mood found in a certain paragraph. Before I start talking about the mood, just let's remember together what we talked about the tone. We said that the tone reflects the writer's feeling. So when I read certain paragraph, I have to get these vibes that the writer is trying to transmit to us. This is the tone. For example, I can feel that the writer is afraid, the writer is confused, he's happy. It depends on the words that he's using in the paragraph. And as you noticed, so just it's like quick revision. Tone reflects the writer's feeling and emotions. Okay, and we conclude the writer's tone from the words that he's using in a certain paragraph. And as I was saying, we can say that the writer is confused, or he's doubtful, or he's scientific. The tone is scientific, or the tone is happy. So as you notice here, we're using adjectives. Now we'll come to the mood. The mood refers to the feelings or emotions that the reader, sorry, here I have to use reader, that the reader may have while reading a certain paragraph. The mood is about us, the readers. What are the feelings that we may have while reading a certain paragraph? Do we feel this mood of cheerfulness? Do we feel this mood of depression? Mood and tone are somehow related, because if the writer is depressed, he's using gloomy words and dark words, then we will feel this mood, this negative mood, all around us while reading the paragraph. And as you notice, while I'm talking about the mood, I have to use nouns, not adjectives. And I cannot use confused, I have to use confusion. I cannot use happy, I have to use happiness, for example. I cannot use depressed, depression. If the writer is depressed, we will feel the vibes of depression all around us. This is the mood. Now let's see an example together. We'll go to this paragraph, take a couple of minutes to read paragraph 7, and then we'll comment on the mood that we may feel while reading this paragraph. Okay, so here we have a keyword which is skeptical. Skeptical means doubtful. Okay, so we have the mood of doubt throughout the paragraph because we can feel that the writer or the theorists do not trust in Busso's theory. So we have the mood of skepticism all throughout the paragraph. This is one example. We'll see another example. Also take a couple of minutes to read paragraph 4, then we'll comment on its mood. Here we can feel the mood of fear that was surrounding Taylor because she was afraid of these men. And we have a little bit, we can feel the mood of reluctance because this Billy Howerton was reluctant. He refused to do this act because he knew Taylor. We can link this. Okay, so this is the mood. The mood is the general atmosphere that we feel while reading a certain paragraph.